Alright guys, I am back at Crown Center at the Westin Hotel, and today we are going to be riding the internal elevators today. Since I saw the glass elevators here, they got more than 700 views on my channel, so I think I'll show off the internal ones. See if we can get one. Is this one gonna go? Oh, there we go. This is an internal elevator. Hi. 18. E is locked. Whoa! This is fast. There's 13. Some people say that 13 is bad luck. I don't get it. It's in proper numbering. Lobby. Sorry about the shakes, I'm doing this one-handed. Let's go up one more floor to 18. And we will get a cab view. This is just like the glass elevators, except it's internal. There's no window, there's only a mirror. Hello there. Some very nice lighting, I like that. I think those are LEDs, I think. Yeah, those are LED lights. It's a very nice fogged mirror here, I really like it. It's really nice. Here we are at 18. It's down the shaft. We'll go back down to lobby. And I guess you'll get your request. I'll take another 2 round trips in the glass elevator. The lobby. There's an elevator ready for you right there.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
I didn't come out of that one though, but I just came out of that one over there. Just trying to get a glass elevator. Here's an elevator up here. Which floor are you going to?
17, please.
I've always liked these elevators. They're very nice, and I've seen videos of YouTube of these before they were modernized. Before
Oh,
these
really?
had like incandescent bulbs, and this was green instead of red.
Really?
Yeah, these are newer Otis. I think.
I like the view. I don't know if this one has one.
Oh,
'Cause
this one's a glass elevator. It goes
does, that one.
it goes pretty high. You get a very nice view of downtown Kansas City right here. I've actually already made a video of this for my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
I'm actually redoing it right now.
Oh, and I'm interrupting it. Sorry about that.
No problem. No problem. As long as I don't show your face.
Have a good one.
Yeah, it's very nice. I can tell you because these elevators are nice and. Yeah.
I like them.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.
I literally forgot. Ah! That was weird. Let's see when he needs to come down. There's the shaft. Oh, God. Let's go back down to the lobby. And then we'll go another round trip and then end it down at ballroom level, BR. And we'll watch the indicator. Door close does not work. Hi there. Now we will head down to ballroom level. And look out the window going down. Some tennis courts. They're my grandparents. There's a lantern. There it goes. That's it.